nouns. A flock is known as a charm of goldfinches. However, the term actually derives from an Old English word which described the chorus of liquid tinkling calls produced by a flock. As they fly about in search of seeds, goldfinch charms often keep up an almost constant twitter. Their flight style, too, is very characteristic. Although all finches have a more or less bounding flight, goldfinches have a dancing or deeply bounding action, like marionettes pulled up and down on strings. When the breeding season comes around, the female goldfinch builds the nest, a beautifully neat, deep cup of roots, grass and moss lined with the down from seeds of thistles and other plants and wool. This is usually sited on the outermost twigs of a tree among dense cover, where it's often bound to the flimsy support with cobwebs. Sometimes goldfinches decorate the nests with aromatic flowers. The brood are fed by both parents, mostly on insects at first, but then increasing amounts of seeds. The male also feeds the female at the nest, strengthening the pair bond.